think it's what I think it is. It's our brother Morton! Let's go unbox him. Okay. Aren't you excited? No. Unboxing with scissors. And one time. I wonder why he sent it in such a big bag. Ooh, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Morton's coming, come. There it is. There he is, Morton! He's official! Come on, Morton, come down here. Yeah, go. Iggy, here. Come on, get out of the box already. Oh, yeah, and I think the boy's gonna come, too.
Yeah, he's coming.
See ya.
Okay, guys, so follow me. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, really? What is it? Where are we going?
Let's go to the castle.
Okay. Okay, so what do you guys have here?
So, just get in, please.
Okay. Okay. This is kind of suspicious. This isn't something bad, Morton.
Hurry! Now it's time to cut it open.
I'm coming. Wow! He's official! Yeah.
This prize is ready. Guys.
Oh no, it can't be.
No, it's not you, is it?
Yes, it is